Wood is harvested from the forest and accomplished in furniture. It is the most magnificent vision contained in an austere object, a world of possibilities hidden under some minimalist appearance. There are not enough years or vicissitudes in this world to cover their charm, damage their beauty. Huanghuali wood is a common material for traditional Chinese furniture. Its patterns are like floating clouds and flowing water, in a color that's neither too loud nor too flat. It is good to make this kind of wood into a nice small object, a table, a chair, or stationery in your study. Men of letters admire the beauty of Huanghuali wood as it is delicate in primitive simplicity and has most intense emotions from Stoic lines. At the same time, traditional Chinese furniture is also big on ebony, which combines the elegance of wood and the aura of stone. In Tang and Song dynasties, furniture designers would carve ebony in an otherworldly antiquity concept. Red sandalwood is solid and firm, furniture made of which looks sedate and majestic. The pattern of cerucoat looks like an ink-dropping water that diffuses wherever ripples take it. Other common materials for furniture including xiqi wood, suanzhi wood, tieli wood, beech, cottonwood, and camphor wood. In the hands of the most capable artists, timbers of different nature are charming in their own unique ways. This is why we say, carve the wood how it would. Of good quality, vivid colors and explicit patterns, these woods that grew in nature gave birth to pieces of furniture that are beautiful on the outside, useful on the inside. For centuries, they embody how Chinese understand the beauty of nature and life.